How to import files from Dropbox to NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged in with your account to access all the features. Once you are on the home page, click on the Start Editing button to open the workspace. From here, you will see the options for Image Edit and Text to Image. Select Image Edit to start importing your files. Now look for the Add Image button. Click on it and choose the Dropbox folders and select the files you want to import. You can choose multiple files at once. Once selected, click Open or Import and your files will be uploaded to NanoBanana.ai. Once your files are imported, you can use the main prompt and NanoBanana.ai's AI tools to edit, enhance, or transform your images according to your project needs. This allows you to create professional and creative results using your Dropbox files directly in NanoBanana.ai. Now you know how to import files from Dropbox to NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.